Sebastian, right here. I don't know if this is still open. Convenience shop, it doesn't look open. I guess this is closed. I'm looking for this convenience store. Look, Sebastian, look at the cat. This place looks pretty strange, doesn't it? Bronx is not such a pretty area, is it? No? Huh? No, I don't want to go there again. I want to go to a different one. We'll find another one, trust me. I want to go to a bodega, a real bodega, not key food. That's like too commercial. I want to see a real guy. This is basically the station to the well, you got a newsstand here. What do you want, Sebastian? Just a drink? What would you like? Let's go around the corner here, explore a little bit for a couple minutes. How's that stuff anyway? Good? So this is the Bronx, Sebastian, the Bronx. I don't think we're going to see very much of it, but I want to see a little bit. That's that alley where we were a few minutes ago. East Tremont RX, a pharmacy. MoneyGram, Sebastian, is money transfer. A lot of people here do that because they don't have money, so they call their friends or whatever to send them money, wire transfer. Neighborhood Opportunity Center. What do you think of all this? Yes? Yeah?
It's a place in the world where you can like you can pożyczysz money.
Where you can borrow money?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of places. They're called loan sharks. There are probably many loan sharks here. What they do is they give you money at a very high interest rate. So they kind of take advantage of people in this situation. You know, people who need money, people who are desperate for money. I don't see any right here, but
then they have to pay for it.
a lot more than they. So if they borrow $100, they have to pay back $200. It's pretty bad. Sad. There's also places called payday loans. I haven't seen any yet. Payday loans. Well, unfortunately, if you don't give the money back, they can get pretty rough. They can get pretty rough, Sebastian, you know? They can be like violent even, cause you harm. So it's not a good idea not to give the money back. This is Bronx Street. a lot of pretty graffiti, Sebastian. What's that?
$40? 14.
Yeah, he's
That's screaming.
yeah, he was hard to understand. I couldn't understand him.
Was that speaking English?
He was speaking English, but it's his second language. He wasn't doing a very good job.
14.
No, I know. This is what it is. But that's one thing, things you're going to deal with in a place like New York City. Don't forget, these people come from all over the world. All over the world, Sebastian. We're going to walk on the front side here. Follow me, please. We need to get on the other side of the street, actually, because the train's going back to Manhattan. See the subway station? So this subway's above ground. I think a lot of the Bronx has the subway above ground, or you know, a good bit of it. I don't know how much. Watch out for people here.
Why?
Let's go quick. Come.
Why?
Let's talk about this subway station. You want to go first?
Why do you say no to don't say that? $40 for tea.
Sebastian, like I told you, I thought he said $40. He actually said 14. Two's coming in 11 minutes.
That works?
Yep, here's your card. Let me show you go the right way with the arrow. Sebastian, read the sign. You're going the wrong way, probably. Let me see. Let me see. You got to look at the arrow. Watch out. Now try. Try another one. Come over here. The other way. Other way.
Hey, New York. I'm Jerry Neese.
You're not-
I'm 16 years old and call Manhattan home. I'm teaming up with the MTA to spread awareness about the dangers of subway surfing. The consequences are serious.
All right, jump. Go under.
Don't lose
Go
your
under.
life. Get inside. Stay alive.
Okay, go ahead. Try that. Huh? Go tell him your car doesn't work, Sebastian. Come this way. It might have been timed out. Ready? Come. You have to be careful with that card because you'll time it out. I guess the train's up here. Manhattan, Brooklyn.
You did that?
We're gonna get on this train. This one's fine. Come on. Watch the gap.
Two trains. The next stop is 174th Street.
Stand
So
clear
over
of
here.
the closing doors, please.
This side so we can see out the window. Over. So this is West Farm Square. It's just going backwards.